Hello and welcome to Mr. Telegram YouTube channel. Today we bring you the best Telegram bots of the week. If you are new here, welcome and don't forget to subscribe for more.
This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating.
On the top list we have
desires set my heart afire.
Virus Scanner Bot is a bot that helps you to scan your Telegram files and finds out if the files is virus or not. To start, search for the bot in Telegram global search bar. Let's test the bot. Forward your Telegram file to the bot.
With crimes and secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat this bittersweet.
As you can see, the scan is complete and there are no virus in the file.
I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite
On the second list we have Short URL Bot. This bot helps you to short your long URL without leaving Telegram. Is very easy to use. Let's text the bot. First of all, search for the bot in Telegram global search bar. Start the bot. Copy your long URL and paste it to the bot. Wait for the bot to complete the process. As you can see, my URL has been shortened. On the third list we have a Rename It Bot. Rename It Bot helps you to rename all your Telegram files. Let's find out if the bot works. Start the bot and forward your Telegram files to the bot.
set my heart
Now click on the file and reply the file name and the extension name to the bot. As you can see, the files has been renamed. With Temp Mailbot you can create 10-minute email box quick and free. Let's try the bot. To start, search for the bot in Telegram global search bar. Start the bot and add a new address. Now is time to find out how the bot works. Copy the email and sign up to any site you want to. As you can see, the bot works.